We are at the Murray Mouth Lookout on Hindmarsh Island in South Australia. It was time to put the rotors to work so the drone could give us a bird's eye view. Now, as the drone climbs, you can truly appreciate the scale of the Coorong National Park stretching out to the east. From up there, the mouth looks like a fragile little gap in a massive wall of sand. You can see the wide water of the Southern Ocean crashing against the fresh river outflow. It's a constant battle of the tides. You can also spot the dredgers working down there. They look like tiny toys from this height, but they're doing the massive job of keeping the river's throat clear so the whole system can breathe. Looking back towards Gulva and the lakelands, you realize just how much water is moving through this system. It's a stunning complex maze of sand, salt and silt. There's no better way to wrap up a South Australian road trip than seeing where the Great Murray River finally clocks off for the day.